Hi, this is Alex from Notable Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Document Writer component within AutoStore 6. Doc Writer is a process component that can be used to automatically generate a second file based on a combination of variables and static text. I most commonly see Doc Writer used to create XML files or other data files as a way to pass indexing information or metadata into a backend system along with a document. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can do this within 5 minutes, show you how to configure it and show you a demo. So let's hop in here to the AutoStore Process Designer. What you'll see here is a super simple AutoStore workflow to output a PDF document. So we've got a 3-step process here. Auto capture to capture a document or an image from the desktop. The Abby OCR to convert that document into a searchable PDF, and then send a folder to route that document into a folder. In this case, I have an output shortcut here on my desk. That's where we're going to be sending the document. So this is a basic convert to PDF workflow. What I'm going to do now is add the Document Writer component into the mix. So I'm just going to drag that here into the workflow if it will let me. There we go. Okay, great. So now it's a 4-step process. I need to configure Document Writer to create a second file for me. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to change this convert to PDF to Doc Writer Test. I've got a few fields here that I've already filled out. Doc name, doc type, and doc date. OCR is already configured. Send to folder is already configured. So I'm going to go in here. So when I activate Document Writer, I'm basically presented with a blank slate. What this means is I can create any type of document I want with any type of content within that document. So I'm going to show some static stuff and then some user and system variables here. So I can say, hi, this is a Doc Writer test. Doc name, doc type, doc date. Okay. So those are the form fields that were in this workflow. So I can drag this over here to name. I can drag doc type over to where I have created a space for doc type, and the same for doc date. I can also start grabbing some automatically generated RRTs, for example, computer name. In an auto capture workflow, computer name is simply the name of the computer where the document came from. Going into OCR, I can grab number of pages. And again, this is just to show you how flexible this tool is to do whatever you want with it. Number of pages comes from count of pages within OCR, and then the recognized text also comes from OCR. Thanks. I can name this file whatever I want to name it. In this case, I'm going to use the doc name form field to name my file. Okay, great. So I just created a text file. Let's go back in there to review it quickly. I've created a text file that is docname.txt containing all of this information here. So now when my send to folder executes, it's going to send that PDF document that was converted, but it's also going to send this document that I just created with Document Writer. So let's see if we can get this done before our 5 minutes runs out. So I'm going to hit save. I'm going to hit start. This process is now running. I could follow along with within Status Monitor if I want to. Okay, so I've got a sample document here that just says this is a sample document. This is sample text to convert. So this is an image file. It's a TIFF. So I'm going to right-click to get to auto capture. Here's my Doc Writer test that I just created. Name, Alex's test. Doc type sample. Doc date, July 30th, 2012. Hit submit. Okay, that's gone into the workflow now. Okay, it's running through OCR, and now it's gone to my output folder. So if I go here, I see my PDF, but more importantly, I also see a new text file that has all of that information that I input into the Document Writer configuration. So there you have it.